Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, we will see how to make mutton curry with potatoes and drumsticks. There are many types of mutton curries, but the mutton curry Tamil Nadu style tastes the best. Let's get started. To make this curry, I have added 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 inch cinnamon stick, 3 cardamom, 5 cloves, 1 star anise and 2 bay leaves. This is 2 onions grind into a fine paste. Saute it well for about 3 minutes. Onions are getting brown. Let's add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry each ingredient for about 2 to 3 minutes for good taste. Let's add green chilies, increase or decrease according to your liking. This is tomato-cashew nut paste. I have taken 2 tomatoes, 10 cashew nuts, grind into a fine paste. Saute for about 2 minutes on medium heat. Let's add the masalas. 3 tablespoons of coriander powder. This will give thickness to your gravy. 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder. Half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of fennel powder. 1 tablespoon of jeera powder. Give all of this a nice mix. This is mixie jar water in which I have ground the paste. Add and mix all of this well. A cup of mint and coriander leaves. I am adding 2 tablespoons of curd, also called yogurt. Cook all of this well for about 2 to 3 minutes or till the raw aroma goes away. Masalas has cooked well. Add salt for this gravy. Mix well. Masalas is getting thick, so add a cup of water. Let's add the vegetables, 2 potatoes and 2 drumsticks. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Veggies are half done. Let's add the meat. I have pressure cooked half kg mutton with some salt and half teaspoon of turmeric. Add the mutton with the stock for better taste. Give it a good mix. Cover and cook for 10 more minutes on medium heat. Gravy has come together and the oil started to separate. Let's check the potatoes. Potatoes are done. In this stage, add half cup of coconut milk. Let it boil for a minute, not more than that. Do try this delicious and easy mutton curry at home. Also, I would like to hear your feedback on the recipe in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.